Very good at this.
And let them know this is what Dr. Sterling have to deal with me. And look at that. I need to take a sedative to get these jaws trimmed.
Why, do I make you nervous?
No, they just, you don't know that hurt.
Does it?
Yeah. It's a little painful, you know, I guess because they so hard.
Well, it's mostly because they curve all the way around.
And that skin be growing up under them.
Right. What you been doing all summer?
Oh, I've got a garden this year.
Yeah, what are you growing?
Tomatoes, well, 3 types of tomatoes, bell peppers, 2 types of bell peppers, onions, mustard green, turnip green, kale, and green beans. And you should see it. It is beautiful.
Is that at your house?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Exercise for us this summer. Mary and I. You know, we have no children home now. They're all grown and gone. We're the only ones home. Get him up out of that bed. I've lost 48 pounds.
Holy cow.
Watch out, Dr. Sterling, 48. Countdown is on.
What's the goal?
Oh, I want to lose at least 200 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what did you do? Did you didn't have surgery, did you?
No, I'm doing it naturally. Exercising, eating healthy, you know.
Imagine that.
Watching my calories, because I'm getting older.
Yep.
You know, my heart is going bad on me now.
48, that's
48.
one. That's...
Oh, my heart doctor. I thought she wasn't going to stop dancing. I said, Dr. Hobby, please, could you sit still? She was so happy for me. She was happier than I was. I tell you, she was just so happy for me. And she was just saying, oh, Deborah, I am so proud of you. Yep. And I know this weight, my heart doctor said, has a lot to do with it. You know. I've been sleeping in my CPAP now for about a year. That has helped a lot too. But I tell you, Murray's had me in a. Well, it's been rough on me for about can't leave him in the hospital by himself. So I have to stay in the hospital with him the whole time he was there. Couldn't go home for a change of clothes or take a shower at the shower. Baby, when he's hospitalized, I'm hospitalized.
Yeah.
You know, he's such a baby.
So you stayed there with him the whole time?
The whole time, both times. And by the time he came home, I had fluid up to my neck and my feet from sleeping, not sleeping properly. I did have sense enough to have my CPAP.
But having him in the hospital? And sick?
Especially that 9-hour surgery. I tell you, I was borderline about to have a nervous breakdown. I don't know.
Well, didn't they come out and give you updates?
Yeah, but still 9 hours.
9 hours is a long time.
We saw sun come up because we had to be there at 5-something in the morning. And boy, I tell you, and then it was still there at 5 in the evening. I kept telling that woman, now don't come back out here and tell me nothing except for he's in the room. I don't want to hear nothing about nothing here. And when they finally come and took us to the consultation room and said he did fantastic, Dr. Lee said Murray is a pro at, he said he did fantastic on that table. Said he was excellent. And they said what they think happened when Murray went home after that surgery, they let Murray go too long, too early.
Too soon. Yeah.
Said, see, if he had been at the hospital, they would have been able to detect that, you know. But I already knew something was wrong by the second day when he was home. Because Murray don't, he couldn't even hold his head up. He couldn't hold a cup in his arms, you know, in his head. He was so weak. His color had gotten dark, real dark. His skin had gotten really dark, you know. Well,
and it's weird that they never found out where he was bleeding from. That's kind of weird.
And after they did that octopus thing in his stomach and seen it wasn't no bleeding up, they said it has to be down low. So they ordered a colonoscopy, which Murray was 63 doctors early, you know, and had never had his colonoscopy.
Wow.
Not that his primary doctor hadn't scheduled him to have it. He just refused to go do it. But when he had him pinned in the hospital, he didn't have a choice.
Well, you know, him and how many other men, right?
Of course, I have a lot of heart problems, I have oxygen, lung problems. I wouldn't have lasted 10 minutes on a table. Well, that's why they won't do my pads on my heart now. Because of, you know, they said you know, I lose oxygen too quick. You know, they're afraid that I'll go into cardiac arrest.
Well, if you keep on the path you're going, it sounds like you're going to do great, and then you can get, maybe you won't need any of this other stuff.
Right. Well, they have to go in there and unblock the arteries in my heart. You know, I have a couple of them blocked.
Well, you'll have a much better outcome.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, is get the better much outcome, you know.
Yeah, well, that's great. Very, am I allowed to say proud of you?
Yeah, I am
awesome.
too.
Yeah.
I am. I couldn't believe it. I just said, wow, 48 in county.
Are you working with a nutritionist or
no
dietitian or?
No, I found myself good through Dr. Oz, one of his programs, and it's working for me. You know, some things don't work for other people, so I detox every day. Every morning before, as soon as I open my eyes and have my meditation, the first thing I put in my mouth is my detox.
Which is what?
Pure honey, lemon, ginger, apple cider, and water.
Sounds kind of tasty.
Don't taste so good, but you know, it gets the job done. You know, so, and I've noticed I'm losing a lot of fat. You know, and then believe it or not, look at my feet. I got a lot of fluid on them now. Yeah, but my doctor was kind of happy because some of the fluid is going away. If you're on 180 milliliters of Lasix, you don't have no choice but to go. So I go to the bathroom like 125 times a day. I'm trying to get go to the bathroom. I'm sitting right here now saying, boy, I sure be glad when Dr. Hester gets through so I can go to the bathroom.
Makes it hard to go see a movie or something, huh?
Oh, that ain't gonna work unless you gonna see it from the bathroom. I run to the bathroom from 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening. Every 15, 20 minutes.
I think you're not alone. I think I hear that from everybody on the diuretic.
I asked her last week, I said, when can I get off these Lasix? She come tell me, no, Deborah, you got to go see the kidney doctor. I say, the kidney doctor, shoots. I need to go stop taking these Lasix for a while. So I can't take a nap in the daytime or nothing.
All right, does this feel better?
Oh, wait.
Okay.
That's what he come asking me. Baby, ain't you going to? I said, I sure am. Don't you see these claws, dude? It's summer. I got to put my sandals on.
You do. All right.
All right.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit. Has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.
I'm a retired Army veteran, and I lost 10 pounds and I feel great. All that stuff on the shelf I've tried, but this actually really works.
All right. You love your Meta 7, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I just got another bottle.
Good deal. Let me ask you this. You said your wife's taking it too.
Yeah, my wife started taking my medication and I'm out early, so I have to get another one.
She likes it as well.
Yes, my wife loves it.
Awesome.
She's on board.
Doesn't make you jittery or shaky or anything like that?
Not at all. It gives you energy that you need to get through the day.
Fantastic. Man, I appreciate it. Thanks.
You're gonna love it. Try it.